Is OneNote going to be replaced by this Microsoft Loop as it is getting better and more powerful nowadays? Now, Microsoft Loop was launched last year. If you do not know what Microsoft Loop is, now let me show you how it looks like right now. So let me go into my Microsoft Loop and show you how. Now, when you log into your Microsoft Loop, you get a blank page like this. So you just go to the idea and then you can create pages in ideas, right? So basically you can create a new page or you can choose from any of the template here. So you can click on the template gallery and you can see like this. Basically, if you know or heard of Notion, right? This is basically almost like Notion, or it's a simple version of Notion. So you have like a stand-up meeting, you can choose the template, yeah? Or you have, you want problem solving, problem framing, you got all this right over here. Let's say I'm going to use this and then I'll click here and then you got this whole thing set it up for you. Yeah. So all you need is just fill in the blanks, right? Now, this is the so-called the Microsoft Loop. Now, Microsoft Loop is famous for its components. Now, let me show you. So instead of going in here, you can just click the plus, right? Now, these are all the no, not Notion, sorry, Microsoft Loop components, right? It's like table, checklist. So you can insert a checklist right over here, right? So the shortcut key is using slash is same thing, right? So you want to have other than, let me see, what's mermaid, right? You can have this mermaid and you can have many things, okay? Slash, and you can have a call out if you want to type something, yeah, or you can have a Kanban, which is my favorite, right? Especially using Kanban board. Okay, you can have it right over here. So basically, this is Loop. Yeah, it's almost exactly like Notion, and it's very powerful. The purpose of having this loop is to help you collaborate with your the team members, right? Or your friends, yeah? So all you need is just like you can copy this loop component and then you can paste it into your Microsoft Teams or Microsoft Outlook and share it out to your team members. So this is the main key thing or purpose for Microsoft Loop. It's created to help you or to ease out your collaboration so that when everyone start work on the same thing, like say this come on board, everybody will have a one version so that you don't have to remember this is like what version is an old version, new version. So everybody is work on the same version, even though uh, they work on their own computers. Okay, so now that's the purpose of using this Microsoft Loop. Of course, if you want to use it to take notes, you can do that as well. So that is why some people are asking whether Loop is taking over um, OneNote, right? So you can type in anything. So if you want it, I mean, if you want this to, you want to take notes with the Loop, by all means, you can do that. You can download in Android version. You have apps on your mobile. You can access this through your mobile as well. To me, OneNote is still very useful because especially if you just want to type simple notes, you want to take simple notes, you want to put everything in one place and you want to organize it, it's still my favorite place to go to. You can check out how I organize my OneNote so that it helps me to find my information easily. Okay, now today I'm going to show you Loop and OneNote. Yeah, in fact, Loop and OneNote you can use it together in the web version. Right? not the apps, but the web version. Right now, I'm at my web version. You can see that, right? This is OneNote, okay? And in fact, I insert a loop component in here. So all I need to do is just click on a blank space, go to Insert, and find loop component. You see, you can go in here, loop component, and then if you want a checklist, you can do that. You want a voting table, you can do that. Let's say a progress tracker, you can have it right over here. And then you can move it around anywhere you want. Okay, so you can use this loop component within your OneNote. Now, I foresee in the near future, you can access it through your apps. Then that will be more convenient. So you can combine or consolidate all the loop component that you share in your Teams or Outlook in your OneNote itself so that you can see all the updates in just one place. So if you have not tried it out on Microsoft Loop, go try it out. It's a powerful tool, especially if you collaborate with your team members. By the way, I'm Andrew. I create productivity videos like this to help you grow your career. Now, if you like this video, do subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that every week when we publish new content, you'll be notified. Meanwhile, check out some of our videos that I created earlier. I see you real soon in my next video.